Hey guys, welcome to my mini vlog. While cleaning up my gallery, I found these clips on my phone, so I decided to compile them in one video. I thought it would be fun to create a mini vlog kasi diba you get to document the things that happen in your life. Para one day when you're bored, you can just scroll through your Facebook account or your Facebook page or kung saan mo man in-upload and you can watch them. So eto na nga. When I went back to San Francisco for a quick vacation, my cousins and some friends and I decided to go on swimming. Ang kaso, walang kaplano-plano. Hapon na nung naisipan na mag-swimming. Kaya naman, nakaalis kami ng bayan at around 7 p.m. na siguro. Yung pupuntahan namin is sa Barangay Nasalaan. If you're from San Francisco, of course, alam mo na it's quite far from the town proper. I honestly don't know what I've gotten into as para tumuloy. I was actually a bit scared while we were on our way kasi sobrang madilim tapos kami yung nasa kahulihan ng motor. Tapos lubak-lubak pa yung daanan kaya kung may aswang, Diyos ko, ewan ko na lang talaga. Mabuti na lang talaga at may ilang kalsada na nagawa na kaya yan, medyo smooth na yung biyahe. Nililibang ko na nga rin lang yung sarili ko kapag may mga ganitong nadadaanan. It's quite fascinating to watch those fishing boats kasi nga nagre-reflect yung ilaw sa tubig. It almost looked like there are stars sa dagat. Sobrang natuwa nga ako nung nakarating na kami dito kasi malapit na raw kami. Tapos ayun nga, may lamppost so hindi na masyadong madilim. Medyo naibsan yung takot ko na baka may aswang. If you guys don't believe na may aswang, well, I do. Nagandahan nga rin pala ako sa daan na to kasi for me, it gives a romantic vibe. I don't know if I'm just weird and OA, but basta. I feel like ang ganda mag-ride dito sa gabi. Tapos kasama mo yung jowa mo, tapos kapag madilim na part na, tigil kayo, tapos bahala na kayo. Charot lang. At this point, sobrang sakit na ng puwetan ko as in, sobra. Medyo mabagal kasi yung takbo namin that it took us more than an hour. Pero syempre, it's better to be safe than sorry. Pagkarating nga namin, nagluto na sila because it's already past 8 p.m. and sobrang gutom na kami. Habang nagluluto, we decided na timplahin na yung alak. We prefer nga na ganito yung inumin because aside from the fact that it's very affordable, hindi naman kami masyado mag-beer or maram. Right after nga maluto ng kanin, nagsugban na sila. And as you can see, Anneline's wearing her sunglasses kasi nga masakit raw sa mata. Hindi ko na nga na-video nung kumain kami at saka nag-inom. Tapos, hindi rin kami nakapag-swimming kasi hindi nag-high tide. Kaya natulog na lang kami. Namakain na nga kami ng breakfast, we decided to go home na. We needed to go home early kasi nga medyo malayo pa yung uuwian namin. Tapos patanghalina. Syempre, sobrang sakit sa balat ng init. We also decided na sa ibang route dumaan pa uwi kasi sabi nung pinsan ko, mas okay daw yung daanan doon. Enjoy na nga na naman ako sa mga tanawin pa uwi because I'm such a countryside girl. Maybe because I lived in the province almost my entire life, kaya mas gusto ko sa probinsya kesa sa syudad. Kaya nga chinatsaga ko talaga magtrabaho sa syudad, away from my family, because I want to retire as early as 30 years old. Because it's my dream to live in the farm, in our hometown, and live a cottagecore life. Anyway, ito yung biyahe namin pabalik ng bayan, pauwi. At yung inakala namin na mas mapapabilis kami, hindi naman. Ewan ko ba't naisipan pa namin umikot at dito dumaan. Pwede naman dun sa dinaanan na lang namin ulit kami. So you can see a rough road din dito. And ilan lang din yung mga tapos na kalsada. Gayun pa man, masaya pa rin naman ako kasi madadaanan namin yung favorite spot ko every time na pumupunta kaming Pugawan kasi super ganda dito dati. Well, maganda pa rin naman siya ngayon pero hindi gaya dati na hindi masukal at kitang-kita mo yung view ng bundok na yan. So, if you guys wanna go off-roading, you guys can come here sa bayan namin, San Francisco, Quezon. Aside from that, we have beautiful beaches here and you guys will really enjoy because it's very, very affordable. Oh, diba? Nagawa ko pa mag-promote. How I wish talaga na I can show you guys the tourist spots and destinations here in our hometown. But who knows? Maybe in the future, diba? So that's it for today's vlog. Bye!